Good morning, student. Today we are going to start the next topic of our chapter number 10. The chapter name is Financial Markets. Today's topic is about dematerialization. The first question it arises, what is dematerialization? To keep the shares and debentures, the record in the form of electronic form or a digital form is known as dematerialization. If we are taking why there is a need for dematerialization, because in the previous time when the shares are issued to the investor, they form in the form of physical form, that is they are distributed to the investor as a physical form, and sometimes because investor is sometimes taking a long term, and these shares, certificate of shares is eaten, is destroyed by the termites, दीमक लग जाना जैसे, या कहीं पर इसी ऐसे मॉइस्चर में रखना, गीले हो जाना, रीडेबल फॉर्म ख़त्म हो जाना, because ink is also evaporated. So sometimes it take a confusion, and sometimes it is not in a readable form, and investor takes so much difficulties. Okay, sometimes they are stolen by the someone and sold out to the company and encashed by the company. So for giving them safety so that the investors get the right owner get the amount, so that is why dematerialization form is started. The process where securities held by investor in a physical form are cancelled. Now investor is given the electronic entry or number, so that he and she can hold it as an electronic balance in an account, and this process of holding securities in an electronic form is called dematerialization. अब dematerialization working किस तरीके से करता है? A depository participant, इधर अ बैंक और ब्रोकर फाइनेंशियल सर्विस कंपनी मे बी आइडेंटिफाइड, सबसे पहले वो अपना एक डीमेट अकाउंट खोलता है किसी भी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन में, दैट इज अप्रूव्ड बाय सेबी एंड एज पर द आरबीआई गाइडलाइंस. An account opening form document, PAN card details, photograph, power of attorney may be completed. The physical certificate is to be given to the DP. DP, that means depositor participant, and demat account are be given, and the share is allotted would automatically be credited to the demat account, because when he purchase some shares he only give his account number and company just share it's transfer the share into his demat account, particular demat account. If shares are to be sold through a broker, the depository participant is to be instructed to be the debit of the account with the number of shares. The broker then given instructions to his DP for delivery of shares for the stock exchanges. The broker then receive the payment and pay the persons for the shares sold, and all these transactions are to be completed within 2 days. Delivery of shares of the payment received from the buyer is on T+2 basis, that is called settlement period. In the previous video we also discussed about the settlement period. Now see how the period is settled. It is settled in T+2 days. T, that means मान लीजिए आज ही हमने कोई शेयर बेचे, टुडे इज मंडे एंड द डेट इज 26/10. 26 अक्टूबर को मानी जाएगी हमारी ट्रांजेक्शन डे, एंड द 2 days आफ्टर दैट इज आवर ट्रांजेक्शन डे विच इज मंडे. नाउ 27 एंड 20 अक्टूबर इज प्लस 2 days हो गए, and the amount is debited or the credited whatever the transaction of buying and selling, and after Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday the amount is transferred in the DP account is on Thursday positively. Okay, that is the T+2 transaction day plus 2 days after. Okay, similarly sometimes the transaction is held on Friday. Let's take the example of Friday. So transaction is placed on Friday. You are saying that it will be in the account on will be transferred to the DP account on Monday. No, because the working day, जो वर्किंग डेज हैं that will be held on working days of जो SEBI है सिक्योरिटी एक्सचेंज starting from Monday till Friday, and Friday is the transaction day. Then 2 days कौन से ट्रांसफर होंगे, Monday and Tuesday, and amount will be credited to the DP account on Wednesday. Okay, so you have to be keep transaction. Keep in mind there is only a there is a 3 national holidays, that is on 26 January, 15 August and 2nd October. These 3 are our national holidays on which the transaction is not working. Even on Diwali or Holi is transaction is will be held. There is a no holiday. Okay. So this is the topic of today. The rest of all discuss we in next video. Bye bye.